This hair came pre-cut, pre-plucked, ready to wear. All I did was tint it a little bit to match my shade. And we're here. It's so pretty. Like, oh my God. I like the airy look, so I just keep playing in it because I love that soft, loose water wave look. It's gorgeous. If you guys want to see how I got to this point, which is literally like less than 5 minutes, just keep on watching. I am so excited to be installing this wig from Reshine Hair. Like, just look at it. Look. Y'all, this is my second time working with this company in their hair, and I honestly can tell y'all I love the quality. The hair that we're working with in this video is 24 inches, and it's in a body wave texture. It is a closure. Closures are by far my favorite, especially when they come pre-cut, pre-plucked, already bleached, ready to wear. Just tint it to match your shade, and you're ready to go. Look at that. I know y'all see that. It does come with an adjustable strap. That's what I use to make sure it's laying secured, because I'm not using no holding spray, no gel, no none of that. All right. Lately, I've been into these lazy girl friendly methods. Just put your hair in a low ponytail, do you 2 chunky comb rows, do what you need to do. But the ponytails have been working very well with me, especially with these glueless wigs. Oh my God, the construction is so flat, like it makes it easy for me to do something like this to install the wig. Once I have that ready, I am going to go ahead and apply the wig. I don't need a wig cap. My hair is pretty secured, so we're just going to use the elastic band first and pop her right on. This is what we're looking like once we went in with our tinting, and this is just some mousse that I'm using, y'all. I really want to go in and use the mousse that is like the tinted mousse. I'll be using that soon, but I just went ahead and put some mousse in that hairline to help it lay down. Sometimes your hairline and your wig can kind of roll. That is okay. Just use some type of mousse and it'll help it lay right on down. And if you have a melt band, put that on there. It will literally melt it away. No glue, no holding spray, and you're good to go. I do like to go in with some of that mousse right near the hairline, and you guys will be seeing me a little later in some clips spraying some holding spray to give like that pulled look. You can always go in with a hot comb, but I just choose to go in with some even spray so I don't have to do all that. Why I thought I wanted some baby hairs. The construction of this wig is so good with this closure. You do not need baby hairs to hide the demarcation line. I think y'all know what I'm talking about, but this wig did not need that. You actually will see me brush the baby hairs back up because they plucked this wig so good, y'all. Oh my God. I'm just over here like, they really have some great quality wigs. I am going to go ahead with some concealer and make my part be a little more defined. A little bit goes a long way. Please don't be out here with these thick old parts for your parts. Like, a little bit goes a long way. The rest of this video will be me just styling the hair and playing in it because I'm not going to do much to it. But I'll see you guys at the end for the final results. Oh my goodness. They done messed. Stop! This hair is gorgeous. Oh my God. I am in love. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh, I'm stuttering. I'm stuttering. Oh my. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for this video. I am very, very happy with this hair. Oh my god, it's so thick, it's full, but it's luscious. Like, it's not too full to where it's overpowering. It still lays so airy, and I love that. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and take off with me and give me a big thumbs up. That helps others see my video too, and just to push it out there. So, you know, that's basically what liking is, other than you liking it. But yeah, that's it for this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.